Good morning.
You're nice and golden. I have my co-host here, Miss Pearly Prado, with Team 3XT. Thanks for being here, VP.
Is this 12 days of cocktail
And core. Yes, we gotta earn it and burn it. Love that.
Can I tell you something? As much as alcohol can be health conscious, your drinks are health conscious.
You're so cute.
We appreciate you.
Yay! Because we're trying to stay skinny.
Come on, Portia's Zebra Network.
We have some garnishes here. We have some blackberries. We also have some red berries. We have sage, peppermint, and pomegranate.
Let's go, baby.
Place some ice into our mixer.
That's magic. Okay, we did it.
Perfect.
All of it or good?
That's good.
That's good.
Can I?
Oh, tell us about it. You know what they say about people that eat ice? You should Google it. Let us know if it's true.
I don't usually eat ice.
Maybe it's just this time of the year for you. I can't wait for you to Google it so like you understand what I'm saying.
So we've already placed ice into our mixer.
Yes.
We're gonna start with our peach wine. Placing 1 shot. Actually, we're gonna do 2 shots of everything today.
Because it's 2 of us.
Because it's 2 of
I
us.
was wondering about that.
You know, and we get to earn it.
Because we're about to burn it.
I know, that's right. Then we'll do our rhubarb and strawberry sparkling soda.
Very low in calories.
Very low in calories. Actually,
any sugar?
we have
Oh,
13 grams of sugar.
okay.
So we'll do just 1 shot of that.
Okay.
You ready for the Tito's?
You know I am. I think it's made of potatoes. Jason.
It is a potato vodka. So we're gonna do 1 shot of the Tito's vodka. You can choose any vodka that you like. Elderflower, Saint Germain. You wanna smell it?
I do because I've never had this.
My
the
God.
name sounds
The
amazing.
taste of Saint Germain feels so good inside my
Oh
soul.
my gosh.
It's sophisticated.
It is very sophisticated.
Yeah.
The core.
We're gonna do 1 shot of this. She goes in class with you. We like her. Vanilla vodka.
So why do you use 2 vodkas?
Vanilla. I want to get the vanilla hint,
Okay.
but I still want to kick us off kind of strong.
Okay.
This is actually 3 liquors.
So it can be any vodka they want with a vanilla
The
flavor.
vanilla
to it.
flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love
We
it.
can do half a shot of that.
I mean,
I ain't trying to. I'm not
Day
trying to
8.
pour nobody work.
this is day 8.
This is
We're leveling up.
You ready?
Level up.
All right, we're gonna put the full shot
We're
in
halfway through it.
there. Ooh, baby. Let's go. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. We have earned this Christmas break. We have earned our place to feel joyful and even grateful.
Yes, we did.
Because we made it,
We
friends.
made it. A lot of people didn't
made
make
it.
it in 2020.
That's right.
That's so sad.
That's so sad.
But we did.
We did. Wow, that sounds so insensitive. But
No,
yes.
You know
No,
what I mean?
you're not.
We're just counting our blessings right now, guys.
But listen, you made it too because you're watching. And we're talking like made it like you made it emotionally out of this, right? That's what we're actually talking about.
Right.
It's incredible. Like we're strong people.
Right, we created this program for good mental health.
And can I shake it?
Yes, you can.
Because I'm sure we're going worldwide. Baby.
Shake it over there. Shake, 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 shake.
So excited.
Yes! Should we garnish first?
Yes.
All right, so we have blackberries. Do you want to talk about some benefits of the berries?
I would
babe?
love to.
Let's go.
We probably already know this. Blackberries are packed with vitamin C, which is so important right now. It boosts your immune system. So eat it up. What's it called when you really lack something?
Deficient.
Yes, if you're really vitamin C deficient, then of course, load these up on your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever it may be. Okay, it's really high in fiber, and most Americans don't get enough fiber in their diet. So get your blackberries, people. Want me to talk about raspberries too?
Let's talk about it.
Number 1, may improve arthritis, may aid weight loss.
Okay, Skinny Minnie. Come on, Vogue. Who's skinny?
Number 3, may combat aging. Botox is a thing of the past. Raspberry is a thing of now. You want to talk about sage?
Yes, let's talk about sage.
Sage may lower bad LDL cholesterol. There's good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. If you struggle with bad cholesterol, sage is your best friend. Number 2, it supports memory and brain health. I need this. And this is really good news for women. It may reduce menopause symptoms.
We got a couple more years.
It's coming around the corner before we know it. So sage on your bed, inside your mouth, in your teeth,
In your belly.
everywhere.
Those are our fun facts. You ready to get this pour,
You
babe?
know I am.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Look how cute these cups are.
I know, guys, these are perfect to keep your drink stirring. So like it never really sits.
Yes.
Isn't it cute?
Yes, it's so cute.
OMG.
How pretty.
Can I tell you, I love clear drinks. This you can put in a martini glass and turn it into a martini.
Of course. Let's garnish. So we did blackberries. We're gonna do some red berries, raspberries. Look how it's so cute. We're gonna drop some sage in there for the sophistication of our drink.
Oh my gosh, that already looks so pretty.
And we're gonna top it off with our holiday berry, which is gonna be the pomegranate.
It is the holiday berry.
She's my favorite.
Wow.
How
This
cute
looks
is it?
so pretty.
You ready for this taste?
I'm so ready.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm shocked at this.
Every woman needs this in their life. You know what I also love is that it's not too sweet, so men would get into this too.
Right.
This is perfection. You have to have this on your holiday party.
You have to.
I don't care if it's just you and your roommate.
You can taste all of the flavors.
Everything.
The rhubarb,
Yep.
the elderflower.
The strawberry.
You can taste the vodka lightly.
Lightly.
The peach wine comes in like secretly.
When you sip, inhale at the same time so you
Okay.
can smell the sage. Ready? You're waking up all your senses. Well, not all of them. Like your visual for sure. Smell, taste,
feel.
you feeling it.
I'm feeling this drink. Oh my god, guys.
Portia's apron. She does it again.
Yes, are
I
you ready
love
to
it.
get into some core work, babe?
Oh yeah, I always forget about the cool.
It's okay because we earned.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little side plank situation.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
So this you can actually do if you have a little holiday party and you dress cute or whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Don't even worry about it. Put your head on that table right here, friend. Now face me. Yep. Let's do that little side plank. Okay, you feel your core ready? All right. We're gonna cheers 30 times. Ready?
Yeah.
Up and low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you get the point. And one tradition we have in Brazil is that when you cheers, you make a wish.
Oh,
So this is an opportunity to make 30 wishes.
30 wishes.
And if your friend is a really slow thinker, that means you're on that side plank for a really long time.
Right.
Do you feel it,
I
friend?
totally feel it.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
And then you're distracted. I mean, my arm is shaking already. And then, of course, we gotta switch sides, right? And you gotta make sure you're in that straight line, in that gorgeous plank. Cheers up and down.
Honey,
Good howling on you. Yes, here. Okay. Good health,
family.
good friends, love, good food, honorship. Honorship?
Free radicals.
Free. It's okay, we'll give her a little more. But that's it. It's a fun game where you're working your core and you're making your wishes for the new year. Did you like that?
I loved it. I hope you enjoyed our 12 days of cocktails and core. Day 8
Yeah.
with Miss Shirley Powell from Team Verry.
You already know.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Cheers to Portia's apron. And cheers to you.
Cheers to you guys. Adios.
I just sipped the sage.